Chapter 3. Working of a computer. Introduction. A computer cannot work on its own. It works only with the instructions provided by human beings. Different parts of a computer do different tasks. A basic computer comprises of 4 devices. Each device of a computer performs different functions. For example, for adding 30 and 45, we have to input these numbers into the computer by typing them from the keyboard. After taking these numbers, the CPU processes and calculates the sum. Lastly, the sum is displayed on the monitor as result or output. A computer is a machine in which you can enter data, process it, store it, and get the output as a result. Computer works in 3 basic steps. Let us understand it with the basic functioning of a juicer. Take apples. This is the input. Put apples in juicer. This becomes the processing. And the output is the juice is ready. A computer also works in the similar manner as shown below. Input. Give some information to the computer. Processing. It works with the information. Output and gives you the result. Other examples of input, output and processing are shown below. 1. Toasting slice in a toaster. Input, bread. Processing, in toaster. Output is the toast. 2. Washing dirty clothes. Input, dirty clothes. Processing, washing machine. Output, clean clothes. Now let us understand, how does computer work? What is an input? The data and instructions that we give to a computer is called the input. The most common input devices are keyboard and mouse. For example, we may use a computer for adding 2 numbers, that is 10 and 7. In this case, 10 and 7 are the data and plus is the instruction that will be considered an input. 10 plus 7, input. What is processing? The process of converting input into output is called processing. Processing is the stage where the input data is manipulated in order to produce meaningful information. CPU works on the data and processes it. What is output? The data and instructions that have been processed and sent out and which you view on your computer's monitor is called output. The most common output devices are the monitor and printer. For example, we use the computer for adding 2 numbers, that is 10 and 7. After taking the numbers from us, it displayed the sum 17. Output 17. In the given example, we add 2 numbers, that is 10 and 7. Then the addition process converts these numbers to 17. 10 plus 7, input, processing, output 17. In a nutshell. 1. A computer is a machine where you can enter data, process it, store it, and get the output as a result. 2. The data that we give to the computer is called the input. 3. The most common input devices are the keyboard and mouse. 4. The work done by a computer's CPU is called processing. Processing is the stage where the input data is calculated in order to produce meaningful information. 5. The data obtained is called the output. 6. The most common output devices are the monitor and the printer. 1.